Hello and welcome to TribeTopper.com.
So far we have learned about rational numbers and irrational numbers, and now in this module we are going to learn about how to find rational and irrational numbers between any two given numbers. And friends, there are many rational numbers between any two given numbers. So let's see how to find out those numbers with the help of this example here. So I have the first question, find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Now since our question demands 5 rational numbers, I would prefer to express 1 and 2 in terms of ratios as 6 in the denominator. So my requirement is 5 rational numbers and I want the denominator to be 1 more than 5, that is 6. So I can express 1 as 6 upon 6 because it's a rational number. We can express it in this ratio, and I would write 2 as 12 upon 6. So as you can see, in going from 6 by 6 to 12 by 6, you'll automatically get 5 rational numbers as 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, 10 upon 6 and 11 upon 6. So isn't that simple? You just need to find 5 rational numbers. So we express the given numbers as a ratio of two integers so that the denominator is 6. So now we move to the next question, which says that find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now since the question demands us to find 5 rational numbers between the fractions 3 by 5 and 4 by 5, so we multiply and divide these numbers by any number greater than 5. So I would again prefer to take 6 here, so I can actually write 3 by 5 by multiplying and dividing it by 6, and I get 18 upon 30. And the other number is 4 by 5. I can write this also as multiplication with 6 upon 6, and I get 24 by 30. And I'm sure you can see here it's quite simple to go from 18 by 30 to 24 by 30. You have the 5 rational numbers in between: 19 upon 30, 20 upon 30, 21, 22 and 23 upon 30. So all these 5 numbers are rational numbers and they lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. So after learning about how to find rational numbers, let's move to finding irrational numbers between any two given numbers. So I have this question here, find 2 irrational numbers between 2 and 3. So for that we can think of any number which is non-terminating and a non-repeating decimal. So I can write the number 2.0200210020002. So this can continue endlessly, or another number 2.03003 and 0003. So nothing comes out to be repeating in a particular order. So these non-terminating and non-repeating decimal numbers are the 2 irrational numbers between 2 and 3. So now let's check it for a fraction. So I have 2 fractions here, 5 by 7 and 9 by 11, and we have to find 2 irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So what we will do is that first we would express this 5 by 7 as a decimal number. So I would start dividing 5 by 7, and as we continue the division, you can I'm sure you know how to divide, so we'll continue the division, and when we come back to the remainder 5 again, so the whole thing is going to repeat. Therefore 5 by 7 can actually be expressed as 0.714285 bar. So it's a non-terminating repeating decimal. And similarly we have the number 9 by 11. This can actually be expressed as 0.8181, so on. Therefore, I would say 9 by 11 is 0.81 bar. And now we have to find two irrational numbers between this decimal number and this decimal number. So as we just saw in the previous question, you can have any non-terminating and non-repeating decimals like 0.730730073000 and so on. You can continue. So this is one rational number. Other rational number, you can take another non-repeating, non-terminating decimal as 0.740, 7400, 74000 and so on. So in this manner you can get any number of irrational numbers between 5 by 7 and 9 by 11. So in this module we have learned to determine rational and irrational numbers between two given numbers, and you can find as many as you want. So friends, thank you for watching. If this video was helpful,
please follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at tribetopper.com.